Hello guys, in my last video you might have saw how to install Jmeter. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Jmeter for recording the script. I already opened Apache Jmeter. You will be seeing two nodes, one is test plan and one is Workbench. Usually we'll use Workbench for recording process. Now I'm going to show how to set up the Jmeter for recording a script. Click on the Workbench node and right click it, add non-test element, and click on HTTP proxy server. This proxy server is used to capture the request what it has been sent from the client to server. Again click on the Workbench, add a recording controller. This will leverage all your results. That means it will capture the results from the request. Again click on the add, then go to config element, add HTTP request defaults. This component is used to leverage defaults from the app server hostname and port. Again click on it, add, go to config element, user defined variables. Here this component is used to add the usernames and password. What it means, if you are having some login component, you can use this user defined variables. Now click on the HTTP request defaults. Here you need to provide the server name. I'm going to use Gmail, so I'm giving the server name, and port number I'm not going to use any port. The protocol is HTTPS for me, so I'm giving it as HTTPS. If you are having port number, means Tomcat port number, you can give it here, and if your protocol is HTTP, then you can leave it as default. That means you can enter HTTP here. And path, if you are having your application is having some path, you can mention it by marking the / here. Now I'm going to add the username and password here. I'm going to give username. Already created some dummy username, jmeter.demo10, and I'm going to add password. This is the password I'm going to use in my demo session. Now in the proxy server, one thing you want to remember is default port. Sometime your application server also will use this port. In that case, you need to change this port to some other. It needs to point to some other unused port, and you can uncheck this because we don't want to capture the HTTP headers. If you want in your application, you can do it, but I'm not going to use it, and I'm unchecking this keep alive option also. I don't want that. And if you want to exclude the image files and all, you can exclude that for patterns using the regular expressions here. Usually I will not use this JPG, PNG, GF files. I will not capture all those requests. For doing that, I need to use this regular expression. The same manner you need to use. I'm going to exclude PNG, then GIF, then ICO, CSS, and JS, HTML. I'm not going to capture these requests, so I am set with all the components which needs for recording the request using the Jmeter tool. In my next video you can see how to record a script using the Jmeter. Thank you.